Welcome guys to another Thursday. On today's video, I am super excited. I visited the Sailor Moon store back in Tokyo, Japan, as well as the Universal Studios in Osaka, Japan. Very exciting things happening right now. I am going to be showing you several glimpses of the store because it was magical, beautiful. So during my trip, I saw many things, a lot of Sailor Moon paraphernalia that I wanted to share with you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you everything that I got back from there. Some stuff I got it at the Sailor Moon store, and other things I got them at the Osaka Universal Studios. I also grabbed some goodies from the vending machine. Vending machines are super popular and incredible in Japan. Definitely check out the vending machines if you're ever visiting Japan. Without further ado, let's start this. This is a chopstick and spoon set. I am very happy with this cute set. The box looks very compact, like I can carry it around, probably even in my purse. Oh. Let's leave it aside for now. It is the 0.4 high-tech Coletto, and what's so cool about this pen is that you pick the colors. I picked blue, pink, and an apple green, and a mango orange. I'm super excited to put these all together. So let's start with the blue. Don't you guys just love unwrapping stuff? I struggled a lot trying to open these things. Last color. Let's go ahead and try this pen out. Oh my god, that feels so good. The ink rolls out very smoothly, I swear. I am amazed. Let's go ahead and do it right here. Oh, isn't that just so cute? Yeah, one of my favorites. Next up, let's open this. Sorry about my childish singing self. This is such a nice material. Like, it's not glass, so I don't break it. I don't trust myself. That's why I picked it. But it's so pretty. All of these little doodles that it has. And transformation pens. Okay, that sticker from the glass came out so nicely. Let's see what this is. Oh! It's a coin purse that you use for coins, and I'm probably not gonna use it for coins, but oh well. Let's see here. No, and these are apparently the other styles that you could have gotten for the coin purses. So pretty. Look at that. That's Luna. Oh, it's already looking so nicely. But let's look at this thing. It looks like it's a keychain. But let's go ahead and open it to make sure. Oh, it's so much longer than a keychain. Oh my god, it's a bracelet. Let's go ahead and do that slow-mo. Most exciting part of this video. My slippers! They're so cute! Next up is these wooden set. I really want to feel it now. I feel like it's gonna be super smooth. Oh, it is super smooth. I can see there's a little detail on the fork. Oh, and it says Luna's Kitchen. Next up, oh, I'm super excited. This is the cutest tote bag ever. See, and right here on this tag it says it is the Sailor Moon 25th anniversary. So cool. These ruffles are just super soft. And the materials are just very nice. There's a really smooth cloth on the inside, which is pink colored. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. As always, please click like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video of Sailor Moon as much as I loved it. See you next Thursday.